Very warm welcome to Sweetbriar. I'm just in the kitchen here and I wanted to just do a quick explainer video just teaching you how to use the dishwasher. So we have a dishwasher that's located just underneath the sink and you're most welcome to use it. Just the first thing to say though, before you put any dirty items in there, please can you make sure that any food that's remaining on the plates and dishes and whatnot goes into the bin, and just give them a quick rinse before you put them into the dishwasher. This will make sure that the filters stay nice and clear, and it will mean that the dishwasher continues to function well. So when you want to use the dishwasher, just open it up, and we've got two racks there that you can load your items into. And if you look in the cupboard underneath the sink, you'll see that we've provided some dishwasher capsules for your use. So if I just grab one of those, so when you're ready to switch the machine on, if you pop your capsule in there, and then you can just close the door like that. If for whatever reason you need to open it again, there's a little slider here, so you can just slide that across and it will open again. Okay, so there is already rinse aid and salt in the dishwasher for you, so they're already topped up, there's no need to do that. So when you're ready to switch it on, just close the door and it will click shut like that. So make sure it's completely shut. And then you've got the on-off button on the left here. So you can switch it on, and at the same time you can also select your program. Now, when you first switch it on, just make sure that these lights don't come on. If either one of those lights come on, they'll light up red. And it basically means that the rinse aid and the salt needs topping up again. So if that happens, you can go ahead and use the machine, but please just let us know, and the next time the cleaner comes to the property, they will top them up for you, and that light will then go off again. So the first thing to do is to select what program you would like. You'll only ever really need the eco option, or if you want, you might want the mini option at the bottom there. So the eco option is as it says, it uses less water, less power. It's a cycle that runs for 205 minutes. So I guess most frequently if you've got a full dishwasher, then you might want to use that one. But 205 minutes is quite a long time. If you're wanting the items to be ready faster than that, and they aren't particularly soiled, then you might be able to get away with doing the mini cycle, and that one lasts for only half an hour. So if you're in a bit more of a rush, you might want to use that one. You also have the option of pressing the half load button. Now, it doesn't matter whether you've got stuff on the top tray, on the bottom tray, or on both. You can still press the half load button, and that will use less water, it will use less energy as well. If you've got a half load, it's worth pressing that button. And then when you're ready to go, you've selected your program, selected half load if you need to. All you then do is press the start stop button and it will start to wash. So you'll see this light illuminate. When it's finished washing and it starts drying, you'll see this light illuminate. And then when the program has completely finished, all the other lights will go off and then this one will light up. So you'll know that it's finished and you'll be able to unload the dishes from the dishwasher. So I hope that's clear, hope it all makes sense. Any questions, please just ask us. But you're most welcome to use the dishwasher for your convenience whenever you want to during your stay. Thank you.